Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I have a very useful tip to share with you guys. How to tell whether your iPhone is new, a replacement iPhone, or a refurbished iPhone. Now sometimes we might not buy an iPhone from the Apple retail store. We might buy one, let's say, from the eBay or somewhere else, so we want to know what that iPhone is and whether we're paying the right amount of money for the right iPhone. So you have to tell whether it's a new iPhone, a refurbished, or a replacement iPhone, and that's very easy to do. All you gotta do is just open the settings, go to general, and go to about. Right here you will see the serial number of the iPhone. Now if it starts with an M, how it does right here, this means that this is a new iPhone, an iPhone purchased from the Apple retail store. If that starts with an F, right here at the beginning of the serial number it has an F, that means that that iPhone is refurbished. Now refurbished iPhones are iPhones that have been repaired. Now you get an iPhone from Apple, it has like something goes wrong with it, you take it to Apple, they will basically go ahead and refurbish it and then sell it again. And if it has an N right here at the beginning, it means that that's a replacement iPhone. So your iPhone has something wrong, you go ahead, send it to Apple, they will give you a replacement iPhone. And replacement iPhones most of the time are refurbished iPhones as well. So if you get a replacement iPhone or a refurbished one, it's basically the same thing. So M for new, F for refurbished, and N for a replacement iPhone, which basically is a refurbished iPhone. Now there is nothing wrong with refurbished iPhones, they're pretty much brand new because Apple will take them and will basically make them like new and resell them. So this is how easily you can tell whether an iPhone is new, refurbished, or a replacement iPhone. Just go ahead, head on to settings, go to general, about, and take a look at the serial number. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you on the next one.